few weeks ago, I bought a cell2jack adapter so I could use a cell phone service, a cell phone with a regular phone. Setup similar to this with a regular phone. This is where you hook it up to a landline. Instead of hooking up to a landline, you hook it up to this adapter here, and it connects Bluetooth to your cell phone. I've been using a visible wireless with it on a Pixel 3 phone for the past, or my aunt and uncle have been using it for the past few weeks, and I just want to do a short review. So far, it's been working pretty well. They've been receiving phone calls just perfectly fine, and they've been able to make outgoing phone calls perfectly fine. The quality when I receive phone calls from them is pretty clear. I think again your call quality will be dependent on one, your cell phone service, as well as two, what kind of smartphone you're using. So I'm using a Pixel 3 phone, and it's working pretty well. As well as this cell2jack needs to be pretty close to your. It doesn't have to be pretty close, but the closer it is to your cell phone, the better it will operate. And so the cell phone that is next to the cell2jack over here is really close, like literally 6 inches away. And so that probably attributes to pretty decent call quality. But anyways, long story short, positive experience after a few weeks using visible cellular service on a Pixel 3 phone, and it's connected to cell2jack and a wireless landline phone. So far it's positive, and saving a lot of money using this instead of, what do you call it, paying for an actual landline, which would cost probably double or more of the cost.